Let's basically talk about how much YouTube paid me in the month of March. So if you don't know, I have 3 channels and those 3 channels are actually earning on YouTube. I'm not a fan of telling you that grow one channel to beginning or to thanky.com. If you have a way of creating extra channels, go ahead and do that. That will actually enable you make more money on YouTube, right? Now for disclaimers, this is me putting it out here that whenever you see me do how to make money content, this is not me showing off. This is me practically telling you that YouTube cannot pay. YouTube is actually paying. And this is another way of me encouraging every individual that is trying to create content on YouTube. So now, if you don't know, there are factors that determine what gives you either you're making money higher than Mr. A or Mr. A is making money higher than Mr. B. And one of those factors is tagged CPM and RPM, okay? And the CPM and RPM is also include how much advertisers are willing to pay on your channel. Let me just break this down. So advertisers might be willing to pay this amount on my channel and also be willing to pay this amount on that person's channel. Another thing again that contributes to a key factor on how much you're able to earn on YouTube is the countries that are watching you. If the countries that are watching you are countries that advertisers are likely to place ad on, you're going to be earning more money. So if you have countries like US, Canada, Australia, UK, you are going to be making more money because they have sweet and high CPM and RPM, right? But if you are watch or your content is mostly viewed by African countries, our RPM is not that much, okay? And even in African countries, for those of us that are in Nigeria, our RPM is even much better than some other persons in other African countries. So these are some of the things that keenly contribute to how much you are able to make. So that is why I always advise you that in creating any kind of content on YouTube, try in as much as possible to bring content that's every other country, that is appealing to every other country. So don't just limit your content to just Nigeria kind of content or just woman kind of content or just male kind of content. Just try to bring content that appeals, even if you're bringing like just male kind of content, but let it appeal with other audience in the US. Like it will really help you. Now, if you don't know, how to make money channels are one of those channels with high CPM or RPM. Yeah, that's just the honest truth. Anyways, with that being said, let's just get right into my computer. Let me show you guys everything I was able to make in the month of March. So I will start my screen record, okay? Anyways, guys, my screen record is all started. And if you check here, I've changed this to March 1st to March 31st. If you don't know, if you have this drop down here, this is where you can actually change, customize to any particular month that you actually want to do your revenue on. If you even want to do it on lifetime, you can also click on lifetime to give you like all the overall of what you have been able to earn, right? Another thing that is making me to do this video is because this morning I was really watching how much YouTube pay me video. And when I look at mine, I was like, whoa, I thought mine was doing bad, but I'm doing well, right? Anyways, this channel is a channel I create lifestyle content on, where I basically put my content on lifestyle, right? So if you check, this is the overview, and this is content, this is audience, this is revenue, and this is trend. But I don't want to go into showing you one after the other so that it won't look boring. So let me just go straight to overview. Now, if I click on overview, you can see that in a whole lifetime, I've been able to I've been able to generate 24.1k view, which is for the month of March, right? For the month of March, from March 1st to March 31st. You guys know that my channel, this particular channel, was monetized in February, right? So you can see 24.1k view, and which is not bad for a channel that I'm not uploading like back to back like this particular channel, right? Then if you check here, you can see my watch time here. My watch time is 1.2k watch time, and of which I'm grateful for it. You understand? 1,200 people. Like if I'm even looking for watch time just within the month of March, I don't get 1,200 watch hour. You understand? Now, if you check the subscribers that I got in the month of March in this particular lifestyle channel, right, which is Life of Vibe Bisonia's channel, I got 451 subscribers here. And if you check this other end, how much I've been able to earn, I've been able to earn I've been able to earn $69.92. This is approximately like $70 as far as I'm concerned, but this is $69.92. That's what I'm able to earn, and of which is not bad. Now, if you click on the revenue, because I just want us to be very, very specific about the revenue, let's click on the revenue, right? If you click on the revenue, you can see that I was able to earn on the 3rd of March 2025, I was able to earn $3 On the 4th, I was able to earn $4.28. On the 5th, I was able to earn $4.10. On the 6th, I was able to earn $3.77. On the 7th, I earned $1.96. On the 8th, I went back to $4.10. On the 9th, I earned $4.46. On the 10th, I went back to $1.16. On the 11th of March, I earned $1.73. On Wednesday, March 12th, I earned $2.07. On the 13th, I earned $1.55. 14th, I earned $1.12. 15th, I earned $1.26. 16th, I earned $1.32. 17th, I earned $1.43. And then on the 18th, it picked up to $2.21. 19th, I earned $1.30. And then on the 20th, it picked up to $3.21. On the 21st, I earned $2.02. On the 22nd, I earned $2.28. 23rd, I earned $1.91. 24th, I earned $2.49. On the 25th, I earned $3.64. And on 26th, I earned $1.86. And you can see that on the 28th, okay, 27th, still $1.43. 28th, I earned the less, which is the poorest, which is $0.93. It was not even the poorest. 29, I earned $0.19. I earned, on the 30th, I earned $0.42. And then on the 31st, I earned $1.20. So if you check, the one I've really earned the highest, as far as I'm concerned here, is this on the 1st of March, which is $4.46, as the graph implies, right? 46 cents. So I earned the highest first and I earned the lowest between the ending of March. And I feel like I know why this actually happened. So let me end this. I know what actually happened, right? This happened because number one thing is I was not really uploading constantly on this particular channel. I think I uploaded up to 6 or 7 videos within the month of March, and it was also able to generate $69.92 for me. I feel like I'm grateful. What do you think? This is okay for me, right? This is okay. I don't know about you. But if my channel was just this channel, it simply means it have to take me 2 months for me to be able to get to my threshold of $100. So you see why I always tell you that if you have one channel and that channel is monetized, try your possible best to push out content back to back so that you can hit your $100 threshold. If I was to be having just this particular channel, right, I would double my hustle and make sure that I hit my $100 threshold. But because this is not the only channel, I have other channels, so there is no how I'm not going to get paid in a month. You understand? So $69.92 for me is a whole lot. Let me know in the comment section if it is okay by you, or if it's not okay by you, or if this is too small, or if this is high. I really want to know. With a channel of just 24,000 views, because all accumulated views here, as we saw from the overview, is 24.1k view, and it's bringing 69. It simply means my RPM or my CPM is high. Anyways, let's go and check the RPM and CPM of the month of March, right? So if we go back to revenue and then we scroll down, okay, you're going to see that for the month of March, my RPM is $3.01, okay? You can see it here from watch paid ad. So my RPM is $3.01 per 1K view. And one of the videos that gave me the highest money in this money, as you guys are seeing, is the video I did YouTube remove my channel, right? Which is the highest video there right now, the highest view video there right now. That video alone generated $51.19, okay? And then other videos follow suit with $5, $3, and the rest of that. Anyways, grateful hearts, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Okay, so if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you have any question and you have any video you want me to film for you, feel free to drop it for me in the comment section, because my job here is, as you're requesting, will deliver down to your table. Anyways, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.